Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft. And if you are an iPhone user and if your cable have ever broken the default one, then you are not alone, because maximum people break their cable of their iPhone. So please watch this particular video guys, because this video is for you. In this particular video we are going to discuss why the iPhone's cable are so much fragile and they break so easily. So let's get started. So the number one reason is previously the cable used to be very rigid, especially for the iPod if you had, because I used to own an iPod long back, almost 15 years back, and the cable was really fantastic. But then they got rid of that particular sleeve which it comes with. This was done by Apple on just purely aesthetic basis. So that actually affected the rigidity of the cable, and we actually got a softer cable. That is one of the reason it breaks, because Apple just got rid of that particular sleeve. So if you like this kind of videos guys, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon so that you get the future update whenever we upload any new video. Second reason is Apple got rid of that PVC covering which was to come up, and what we got is in the end is a softer cable. If you all can compare any phones, like especially Android phones with Apple iPhone, if you even compare the cable, you all know the iPhone's cable are much more softer. It can really like totally tear into pieces. It is very soft material and all, and I know the look and feel and experience is much more better with Apple's cable, but personally I feel it is a softer cable and it won't last longer for a very long time. Now the latest one what they have released with the iMacs and all of them comes with something like a fabric kind of material which is really good. Apple is really doing great at this, but I still feel the previous phones which were coming and they were like softer cables and all, at least I think I have broken or torn at least 7 to 8 cables of the original iPhones, and all of them were coming in the box, the default one. And I have plenty of cables which I am using on a day-to-day basis. Like for example, in a car I have a separate cable, in my backpack I have a separate cable, then again on the computer desk I have a separate cable. I have a separate cable in my room just to charge the phone. One of the worst cables which were manufactured for a smartphone is the iPhone's cable, the Lightning one. I like the Lightning connector a lot, like as much as I love Type-C, but the quality is very poor. So if you are buying an iPhone, please make sure that the cable which you are buying is of a very good quality, and make sure that they are MFI certified, that is made for iPhone certified, and make sure that it is of a very nice braided quality. There are plenty of them. I'll be linking one of them in the description below, so please check out the description too. I hope you enjoyed this particular video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel, because there is always something new to learn on Creative Soft. Also do check out these cool videos which we have. Let us know in the comments below what you think, what are your opinions about this particular topic. And again, thanks a lot guys for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.